All right, part two. First, we're going to remove the wheel. Then we're going to remove the clip and the castle nut and remove the brake drum. All right, let's get a wrench. If you're familiar with Volkswagens, you're going to know that this rear axle nut is extremely hard to get off. And it is because it's 207 foot-pounds of torque from the factory is what this is torqued at. If your emergency brake is on, your car is in low gear, and your tires are still on it, and you're trying to break that nut loose, you're literally pushing your car across the driveway with your pry bar. Here's what I do. I put an axle lug in or stud in. I take a jack stand, a nice heavy duty jack stand. I raise it up enough to where it clears the body of the stand, and I put it up against that nut, and then I'll lower the car down on it. All of the force that you're putting on that nut now travels through here, down, and into the ground. And it allows you to break this loose and put it back. So you're gonna have to use a socket, your ratchet, and about a 4-foot pipe to still break that loose. But once you do so, it comes right off. All right, tip 3,462. Before putting your new brake drum on, you'll need to clean it with some brake parts cleaner, lacquer thinner, just something that's gonna break down the waxy, oily substance that they put on these to keep them from rusting. It's very important that you clean the surface of this brake drum before installing it. All right, I got the rear 5-lug conversion brake drum on the driver's side. Got the wheel on. So now, with part 1 and part 2 both almost completed, there is what we're going to end up with. All right, here it is. Time for the first drive. I think it came out great. Just got the brakes bled. Ready to take it for a ride. Come on, let's go. It handles so much better now. Next upgrade is going to be a front sway bar, but I'm not sure it needs it. The brakes are 100 times better than the stock drum brakes. But friends, thanks again for watching. I hope that you enjoyed spending some time with me out in the shop. And get out in the garage, take something apart, build something, enjoy yourself. Life is short, we gotta have fun. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I appreciate the support. We'll see you soon. Part 3.